Damn, boy, like y'all waking me up like that. I forgot we were supposed to record a video today. Hey, welcome back to another video. And today, in this video, we're gonna be replacing the headline in the GMC. Come on, start walking that nigga, keep up. Look, you ready. Look, you ready living our city. I miss you, babe. I'll be back for you. But, you know, we done did enough for you for a minute. So, yeah. As you can see, the GMC. Oh, boy. Hop on the passenger side so you can show them right there. As you can see, the sunroof. We have a sunroof, fam, but that bitch don't work. And it's dirty ass headliner. We're gonna have to take this bitch out just to replace. Let me crank it just so y'all can hear it. I ain't really gotta crank it. But so listen. The motor and everything works. It's just not. It's not open. Hey, you need some copyright, man. That was country music, no?
Yucky. But I have to admit that the ladies get smitten.
That's enough. Yeah, I don't fuck with no country music. Hey, shout out to all my boys that do fuck with country music. Salute. I just can't get with it. But yeah, back to the video though. We gon' good glass and everything, so it works. So today we just gonna take everything down.
You gotta buy something.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. That's what we're gonna be doing in this video, just taking everything down and wait for the parts to come in so we can install it. It should be here. It says September 4th. Yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. That's it. So it's gonna be a little, you know, just something to put out for y'all, for real. So let's get started. I bet. So first off, family, we're gonna start taking these hoes off. And it's the bitch you're gonna need on the bit. It's alright. Shit like star to me. Shit, a star, brother. Let's take it out with this star piece right here. We're gonna start off by just untighten everything, tighten that shit. Hey, don't lose your bolts, bro. Make sure that after you take them off, have an impact. I'm finna go grab my impact, cause it's a lot of unbolting. Let me take this one out real quick, I can do one more before I can pick that one up. Crush the impact. What you think? The phone crazy. We gotta redo it? Okay. Damn. Hell, look at my girl slow than the bitch. My camera woman slow as hell. God damn. You don't exist. You're not even there. It's just me and him. It's like a portal into my life. That's what Reggie said, right? Like a portal into now. But from the future, though, from the past, it's fucking crazy.
I believe there.
You're not supposed to be talking. Stop talking. You're not here. You want to be here so bad. I apologize. I'm sorry. Let's keep this in between me and you, though. Dumb, dirty. You talking about dumb and dirty, but can't you unscrew no shit? Sorry ass. Hey, don't lose your boy, bro. Long ass fucking bolt. Yeah, I don't know about y'all, but I ain't finna watch no nigga unscrew no shit for 15 minutes. So we gonna time lapse this for y'all. Fuck is that? Fuck is that, brother? Fuck is that? And motherfucker not ready to come out yet, cuz. Damn, the water just come inside this bitch. Come and say, wait. Alright, bro, make that shit up. Hell no. Yeah, boy, you shitty out there.
It's not Tonio.
Alright, bet. Let me go grab this impact. I'll be right back. Alright, now on a real note though, get this shit back on. I love you, Eric. Hey, why did he said some shit the other day? He was like, headlights? Yeah, it was a drill. That was real familiar. That nigga said, I said, shit. You was gonna throw it away anyway. That bitch was almost broke. I ain't finna let this shit go to waste. Crazy, man. I'm gonna fuck some shit up. I'm gonna strip some shit. Ain't no nigga getting no pussy. You can't even find a hoe. My bad, this shit be family friendly. Ooh, hey. Look at that folks right here. Know what I'm doing? Y'all take them out. Alright, cool. It's hot. Bitching is hot. Alright. Keys in it. With these in the truck. These in the truck. These in the truck. Hey, I don't know about y'all, but Nicki Minaj go hard. It's Nicki Minaj, right? What the fuck is that? That's Nicki Minaj, that's crazy. That's Nicki Minaj, right, y'all? So who the fuck is
At the best prices. See exotic snakes.
They don't want to see a nigga win, I promise you. But they don't want to see a nigga see them like, hey, I always hate on that shit. Nah? I did right. Yeah, okay, for sure. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. Okay? Don't make me go get the cattle. You're gonna milk them all freaking day. By yourself. You hear me? You're gonna make that butter with no spoon. Maybe you cut some grass with some scissors. Crazy bastard.
Dumbass boy.
You're not supposed to. They gonna think I'm abusive. Playing or not, hey, I don't hit.
Shit. I
Your
know.
favorite camera woman, bro.
I know what I go through.
I be lying to them when I'm not in this car. Let me tell you.
Abuse don't always have to be physical.
Oh yeah.
It could be verbal, mental.
But I'm not verbally abusive.
I'm talking
to you.
I'm
talking to you. Above. None of the above.
So now I'm tripping.
Always. There ain't a time you ain't. Now I got video proof.
I can edit it
You
out.
put in your... I just... some bourbon, dude. Look at the fucking face. Take this home. That's them lights. That's, you know what I'm saying? We open this up. That's what that is. I don't know if I gotta take the whole thing off. Huh? YouTube University? Yeah, I'll be back with y'all once I figure out how to take this shit off. Hey, stop, you twisting it. It was like that. Jit o yang. Jit o yang, young nigga. Jit o yang. Or jit o yang. Y'all won't believe what we just found in this bitch. Nigga, boy, it's a motherfucking. Where the fuck that nigga go? There's no motherfucking watch in this bitch. Oh, hey. Let's just put that back right there. It ain't finna fuck him. I think he dead already, but ain't no telling that nigga come back from the dead and get some. Hey. How could you sit at this though? God, damn that shit hurt. That's what my black ass get for being scared. You know when I ain't scared of these bitches. Damn, I keep fucking big toe.
Are you okay?
Oh shit, bleeding. Look at this shit.
Actually?
Oh, she bleeding. Ah.